Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the new updated PDF viewer on itslearning. This is part of the late January, early February updates that you should see available in your courses about today, later tonight, and this evening. So specifically, this new feature on itslearning allows your PDFs to be manipulated more easily for the student, for the staff member. You have some editing tools you can use within the platform, and it's a lot easier for students to print any PDFs that you might upload into your course. So this specific bonus edition with PDFs is available if you upload any file from your computer onto this, if you upload any PDFs that you have saved, like maybe in the cloud or elsewhere, and it's available for if students upload a PDF as their answer to an assignment. It's available to use the teacher when you're looking at that assignment answer. So it's not everywhere on itslearning, but it's in those special places. So if I'm in my course right now, I just want to show you a couple ways where you can access this. And if I just click the add button and I'm going to do show all, this is where I can see this feature available. So on my little resources section here and things I can add, if I click file or folder, I can upload a PDF that I have saved on my computer. So that's what I'm going to do. And I can also pull one from my Google Drive if I wanted, but I have one saved here on my computer. So I'm just going to upload that here really quickly. This is really great if maybe a lot of your supplemental resources are in a PDF format. I know a lot of publishers, if they give you any note sheet that goes along with your reading that you've been doing in class, most of the time those are in PDF format, and this can be a little clunky if you don't have a very good tool to upload them easily and to print them and to give your students a way to manipulate it. And that's kind of what this provides for our students. So it uploaded my PDF right here. It's just at the bottom of my resource tree is an element in my course, and I can change the name if I wanted. But the cool thing here is if you notice, you have the ability to zoom and to change the view here. That was not a feature that was there before. And if I scroll further down the page, I can see all of my content. As the teacher, I have the ability to add a description here if I wanted to and edit additional options there. There's not a whole lot to do. I can change the visibility if I wanted to as well, so it's hidden or it's active for my students. But here are the fun new PDF features. So there's a print button. This makes it a lot easier for your students to print this resource than before. There's the ability for your students to download this resource so they have it saved in their Google Drive if they need it. All right. And you can also open it in a new window from this view as well. And this toolbar here is where you have some additional options here as well. So you can rotate the pages and things if you need to. You can change the way that the pages are positioned on the page. If it's a multi-page document, if you want to see more than one page at once, you can. And again, you have the option to print this so your students can print pretty easily from itslearning without having a bunch of media on the side, like your resources tree here and elsewhere. So this is just an additional feature here that is available in the platform for staff and for students. And again, it's available for you, for staff, and for students if you add a PDF as a resource into your course. But it's also available if your students submit a PDF as their answer to their assignment. You have this as the teacher to print this easily, to look at all the pages at once if you need to, and hopefully improve some efficiency when you're grading things. If you have questions, let us know.